Hey everyone, thanks for watching my videos. Have another unboxing for you. It's a little bit out of my realm, being a RC airplane, as I usually tinker with RC cars and trucks, but I thought this one was pretty cool. It's the C-17 373 millimeter wingspan. This is a kit, so you do need to glue the pieces together, the wings, the engine props. This is a 2-motor airplane with a 3-axis gyro. Includes everything needs to fly except for the glue, which I'll be using this. Original tacky glue, says it's good for foam. I think it'll be pretty lightweight, or decent to use. Again, I'm new to airplanes, so we'll see how this turns out. I did get my lady an airplane. I didn't do any videos or unboxing. It's just something for her to enjoy. She finds them more entertaining and challenging than an RC car. So this is kind of me dabbling into that world. But I'm excited for this. So let me get this unboxed. Get the camera up so you can see what comes in the package, and maybe I'll do a build video on this. We'll see. Alright, so let's cut this thing open and see what we get in the box. I'll try to get everything in the shot. Check this out. Very nice. Box came in great condition. Everything looks pretty secure. Here is the assembly manual. It tells you where to apply the glue, so we'll get to this later. Shot of the remote. This is a 2-channel, I believe. As you can see, these are the fake engine props. For the design, here's the rear wings. Let's get this pulled out. Fuselage, very cool. Here is the ESC, and then on the bottom side we have the remote. 2-channel, so throttle up and down, and then side to side. No up and down here. Rates button, lights. I'm guessing these might be, these are fake buttons. Okay. Let's see, I think this will be 3 AA batteries. Not too bad. And the last thing we have is the parts bag. And parts bags, plural. So I'll leave this here. This is the one with the motors. They have them tagged left and right. For assembly, here is the charger for the battery. And then we have the covers, all the plastic pieces that go together. This is a propeller removal tool. And no, there's the battery. So very cool. This is, I think, a 300 milliamp 3.7 volt battery. Yep, there you go. And I've seen videos of this, and they fly really smooth, which is why I wanted to pick one up. And I do like kits. I do like getting to know my RCs, so I think this will be a pretty cool little project. So, you know, we'll see if I can get some video of me installing or putting it together. But thank you very much for watching as I dabble into RC airplanes. And again, the C-17 ready to fly kit. Again, you do have to glue this yourself. It does not come with the glue. three axis gyro. It turns by propeller speeds, the left and right, so there's no up and down. But anyways, thanks for watching my unboxing, and hopefully I'll get some running video up on this.